guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna get into some airport looks. Now, the theme of all of these airport looks is definitely comfortable yet cute. Comfortable yet stylish. If you were looking for that bad and bougie, we're going to South Beach, I have a bodycon dress with some heels on type airport lookbook, you're just not gonna find it here. I do not go to the airport to stunt. I go to the airport to hop on a plane and go somewhere to stunt, if you know what I mean. This video is not only requested, I know that you've also been waiting for it. So here we go. Let's waste no more time. Let's jump right into it and I will show you look number one. For this first look, I would definitely refer to this as kind of like my long haul look. I'm coming straight to the airport. I had a gray men's sweater from H&M. Wonderful hoodie, throw it on, throw it off. Jewelry is probably gonna come off within the first 45 minutes of the flight. If I'm gonna be sitting on a plane for 7 hours, you best believe that I do not care about nobody's earrings and nobody's necklace. This is the airport uniform. I wear this same exact hoodie, like this hoodie has been to many a country because this is like my go-to. It's perfect. Usually underneath it, I will wear a cami just in case it gets a little warm, but trust me, I have never been on a warm flight before. The second that you get acclimated into that sky, that altitude level that they stay out and coast at, it's never warm. The leggings themselves are like $7 leggings from Forever 21. I actually just cut slits in the knee just to kind of give it a little bit more sporty look. And the sneakers I got from Amazon, I actually mentioned them in my Amazon favorites video. That will be linked down below if you want those. This is not the exact scarf that I usually travel with, but this style pretty much all the time is what I travel with when it comes to this outfit specifically. I really like the scarf because if I do take off my sweatshirt and I have a cami on, because TMI, I normally do not fly in bras. So you know, I don't wanna like show a little something, so I will have this scarf and I'll just kind of wrap it around my shoulders, and it's kind of versatile. I can ball this thing up just like this and all of a sudden look, neck support. Neck support. I always travel with a neck pillow anyway, but you never know, things happen, so add a scarf. So for this next look, I have a two-piece matching tracksuit. I got this tracksuit at Foreman Mill. The brand is actually South Pole, which is like kind of random because I feel like is South Pole still around? No shade, but are they still around? Maybe they are, but I definitely found this at a discount store. It was about $24 for both pieces, the pants and the top. I really like the hoodie because it had like this like slouchness, so I can pull it like around my head, but also like my neck area to keep me warm, you know what I'm saying? I feel like tracksuits were like trying to make their way back, but like kind of didn't, but like kind of do, but I don't care because I like them and they are perfect for travel. I can take this top off and have just my pants with like a nice white shirt underneath it, or I could switch that up and put jeans on and have the hoodie if I needed to. Super, super easy, just throw it on and go. This is also another example of a long haul outfit that I would wear. Something really, really comfortable and also kind of stylish, like looking like you tried to do something, but you really didn't. Effortless fashion, effortless. As you can see, I also paired it with some slides. These are $5 slides from Walmart, you guys. These are the infamous slides from my Luxe Summer Slides video that I made. I will link that right here. Shameless plug, go watch it. I think you'll enjoy it. But this is just a plain pair. I did not DIY them or decorate them in any way, but super easy. Rubber slides and go. Hey guys, so for this next outfit, definitely sticking with that theme of like comfy yet cute. My favorite, two of my favorite accessories, a piece of camo anything and some ripped jeans. I also paired some sandals with it. I got those from Target. I just got those last week, so you still may be able to find them in your local Target, hopefully. So they're really cute and they're actually very comfortable. I think this kind of outfit is perfect for like that short haul flight, not anything like too crazy long, maybe like 2 hours. It's still comfortable, but like not as comfortable as the two previous outfits, but definitely a little bit more cute, so you can go from the airport to somewhere else. I had an outfit change. I swear I'm not naked. I have a romper on, but I did want to mention that the last outfit I had on, the camo shirt I got from Charlotte Russe, the jeans I got from Rainbow online, and then the shoes, like I mentioned, are from Target. Okay, next outfit. Also great for the short haul flight that is going somewhere warm, especially if you're going from somewhere that's warm to somewhere else that's really warm. About this amazing romper, I got it from Rainbow. You guessed it, I love shopping at Rainbow. I went on a crazy Rainbow haul recently. I might do a Rainbow haul video. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see one. I got some new stuff for summer, lots of colorful things, lots of like super cute things, and lots of like comfortable yet cute and stylish things. I love comfort, y'all. This is definitely a perfect outfit if you want to go from the airport, check into the Airbnb really quickly, and then jump right back out and get the party started. It even has pockets. My fave. Pockets! This outfit is even better for your short haul flights. It is not only super comfortable, but it's really cute. It's such a go-to outfit. Just like throw it on, put on some small pieces of jewelry, something simple, and then just leave out the door. Don't forget your bag and your passport if you're going internationally. Alright guys, so those are all the outfits that I have for you. Just 4 really quick outfits. Hopefully pieces that you already have in your closet that you can just pull together. There was a gnat in my face. Anyway, like I was saying, hopefully that these are just pieces that you already have in your closet that you can throw together, piece them together. If you don't have them, you definitely have something that's similar to it. I promise you, girl, keep looking in that closet. And boy, rompers are in. Definitely be on the lookout for some more videos. I post videos every week. All right, see you guys in my next video. Bye. One more thing. If you're wondering about my luggage, this is the luggage that I use. It is just a simple gray bag from Samsonite. It has 4 rollers. If you do not have 4 rollers, listen, hold on. Let me adjust you really quickly. Let me get you right. If you do not have luggage with 4 wheels on it, let me tell you right now that it is going to change your life. Just go ahead and do it. The whole like pulling it all the way back thing is just, no, we're not doing that anymore. It's 2018. We are pushing sideways and just minding our own business. Eating kale and minding our business. Okay, I'm done for real, guys. Samsonite from TJ Maxx, about $60. I've had it for a year. It's worked out really well. I think it's gonna have a long, long life ahead of it. Already been to 6 countries, so, you know. All right, bye guys. Promise I'm not naked. I'm wearing clothes. Woo! See you later.
You'll still love me blind if we don't fuck this whole thing up. Guaranteed I can blow your mind. And tonight I'm alive in a dollar sign. Guaranteed I can blow your mind. And tonight I'm alive in a dollar sign. Guaranteed I can blow your mind.